Cocoa Runners. Perfect for shameless chocolate junkies everywhere, Cocoa Runners has made in their mission to bring you the best chocolate bars in the world. Each month you'll get 4 chocolate bars from various countries around the globe, featuring different bars each and every time. Try the world. Try the best snacks the world has to offer with monthly boxes of sweet and savory artisan snacks, different international countries. Each box comes with 6 snacks from 6 countries made with healthy, authentic ingredients. Subscribe now and get a free box. WanderAway. The WanderAway box, the next best thing to having a really well-traveled friend who's always sending you cool stuff from around the world. Every 2 months, WanderAway will send you a themed box full of snacks and treasures from a featured country. Bon Appetit. Bon Appetit offers you the chance to class up your cuisine each month with crates of fine gourmet foods straight out of France. From candies to cookies to delicious spreads, you'll get crates packed full of snacks that make perfect additions to your favorites wines. TokyoTreat. If you're a fan of Japanese snacks and culture, then this is the box for you. Each month you'll get a crate packed with full-sized Japanese snack items, a DIY candy kit, dagashi, and more, all with free worldwide shipping. MexiCrate. Enjoy the best snacks and candy Mexico has to offer each month with a box packed full of 10-20 items depending on which subscription plan you chose. With boxes starting as low as $99, MexiCrate is one of the best priced subscriptions around. Margaret P. on Crate Joy writes, I absolutely love these boxes. At first I signed up for the month-to-month, but it was so good I came back and signed my daughter up for the 3-month subscription. It's so addicting. I share with my friends even though I want it all to myself. JapanCrate. With JapanCrate, you'll enjoy a variety of monthly Japanese snacks ranging from kawaii-themed items to udon noodles, depending on which crate you chose from boxes offering 5-15 items, DIY kits, and in some cases even a drink. User Lawrence Beyond Crate Joy says, great variety and good value for the price. First shipment arrived promptly and in great condition. Box comes with a pamphlet describing each product and translating the instructions, along with a recipe suggestion using a couple of the products. MunchPak. Perhaps the ultimate snacking destination, MunchPak offers a super customizable plan where you can choose to have 5-20 snacks delivered on a monthly or even weekly basis. During the course of the quiz you take at sign up, just choose the foreign snacks option and tell them which flavors you're into. Then sit back and enjoy some of the best snacks from all around the globe. User Ohayukasan on Instagram says, at MunchPak offers a fantastic variety of yummy snacks from around the world. Universal Yums. Universal Yums is a really cool way to teach your kids or yourself about different cultures around the world via their food. Every month you will receive a box full of snacks from a different country, complete with a fun educational booklet with info about the location from whence they came. A reviewer on Universal Yums says, love how excited my son gets when this box comes in. It brings my whole family around the table, which doesn't happen too often.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.